Hello, hello everyone. Today we are conducting a scientific experiment. The goal of today's experiment is to determine to what extent this insulated stainless steel koozie will keep a beer cold longer than it would otherwise without the koozie. So we have two sets of beers here. The first one, they've both been sitting out for roughly the same amount of time. Obviously, as you can see, one is in the koozie, the insulated koozie, and the other has just been sitting out.
We're guessing 2 hours, about right?
About. So I think we're going to try the first set now, and then we'll do a longer term test with the second set of beers, because the koozie advertises hours of cold beverages, so we'll put that to the test. But what we're going to do now is Daddy is going to open both beers and pour them into
Why don't you do that?
Okay, I can do that. So I'm going to pour the beers into a glass for, I guess, both of us, and then we will, I will leave the room. Daddy will mix the order of the two glasses. He will give me them both, and then I will not know which glass contains has a beer that came from the insulated koozie or from the beer that was just sitting out.
Yeah, I think you guys need to do a blind taste, or you could be.
That is exactly what we just described.
And we'll get that on the video.
Yes.
We'll get the fan calling out in the video.
So I'll
Go ahead. Fire it up.
I'm going to hold the can with my sleeve so as to not transfer any heat into the can, or as little as possible.
So first is what should be, under theory, the warmer of the two beers.
Right. I'm also going to try to not...
Just don't worry about it. You're just a few seconds. It's...
Just a couple sips. Okay, so we'll put these together. I'll link this for you. These are
the supposed warmer of the two
warmer
beers.
beer, according to our hypothesis. And this, just looking at this, it still has a lot of condensation on it, which reinforces
Go ahead. You have to hurry because the other beer is now interacting with the air, which is influencing the temperature.
Should I finish the cans?
Just leave. That's fine. Now I think you should disappear.
Okay. Are you going to keep recording?
I am.
Okay.
So we have the warm beer and the cold beer. We're going to do cold beer on the left, the warm beer on the right. Cold beer on the left, warm beer on the right. Delaney Hall, you may return.
Ready?
Yep. Sit at the head of the table.
I will begin with one on the left.
Okay.
One doesn't really feel colder than the other, just by holding the glass. This one isn't very cold. I haven't had the other one yet, but at this point, I would guess that this is the warmer one, and I would hope that the next beer is colder than that. It was not as cold as it was not as cold as I expected it to be.
So,
I'm gonna have to.
so either way, for the Yeti company, this is a horrifying experiment.
The first one's actually colder by a little bit. I think I'm changing.
Final answer.
The difference is not significant. This one is colder.
Can I try?
Sure. Are you okay with using the same glass?
Yeah. Can you stop the video and start again? Because otherwise
No.
it's too big a video file.